started my cycle, I think I was in like 6th or 7th grade. And I'm just like, any day now, this thing could be coming. Hey girl, we need to have a conversation about these teens, honey. First, let me tell you what I'm using. I didn't know if I wanted to use the neat braid or the braiding gel, but I ended up just using the blue container, the braiding gel, because I had just enough, okay? We're going to inspect the scalp to make sure there's no dryness, no flakies, no irritated scalp, so that when we put these braids in, we can leave it in for a week or even 2. Okay, she has been asking for this style for I don't know how long, and I've been avoiding it for I don't know how long because, you know, it seems like a real simple style, but to get all this hair into them 2 little braids, girl, it takes a whole lot of manpower. And I'm not a man. Okay? Okay, let's keep going. So I'm going to moisturize her hair since it's straight with the Donna's recipe. I always want to call it a butter. It's definitely not a butter. It's like, I think it's a hair and scalp something. So that's what I'm going to use. I am parting the hair down the middle so that I can add that gel and then the jam on top. It gives it that extra hold. You want to make sure this is as flat as possible. Okay, the way you get this thing sleek is first of all using the right products on the right textures. I'm still learning. This is who I practice on. Okay, we learn as we go and we continue to grow. That's a word. Take it, snatch it, or leave it. Okay. So you want to go ahead and get that as sleek as possible. That's as good as we're going to get, okay? Because I was actually needing to leave the house. We're going to part the hair right in the front. And that is where our braid is going to start, okay? You need 3 legs, okay? Part it down the middle. And you're going to need your 3 sections. And then you're just going to start braiding. So I parted down the middle so that when I slide my finger like this, sorry that the comb is in the way, because I'm still trying to learn the angles with this YouTube. When I slide my finger, I stop at the middle part. Okay, that'll help keep your, look at me trying to talk like I know what I'm talking about. I guess it keeps your slits a little more slitty, but this side is not as slitty as I need it to be. Okay, because the other side was litty. This, it looked like a regular braid by the time I got done. I said, what happened to my stitches? I was rushing on this side too, so don't judge your sister. Calm down. If you got some extra tips, let me know. And I clearly, look, I'm rushing. I'm supposed to be out the house in the next 30 minutes, and I did not do the end yet. But anyways, let's get into the conversation, okay? Because my girl woke up the other day, and she was like, my stomach is hurting. And you know what? She's, at that age, so I was like, oh, my goodness. You know what? She's at that preteen age. And I don't know about you. I started my cycle, I think I was in like 6th or 7th grade. And I'm just like, any day now, this thing could be coming. And I just imagine how things gonna go. And so I had to get my girl, look, I need to slow down. I got somewhere to be. Girl, slow down when you're doing the baby's heads, okay? They try, look at her face, trying not to get an attitude so they don't get in trouble, but we be rushing. Anyways, back to the story. How are you preparing, okay? I made my girl a little basket. Let me show you. I made her a little basket. So cute. So I just added a few things that I know she would like in there just to make it a fun and memorable and happy experience. But that's the fun stuff. I've been, dropping little tips here and there about, the cycle, the body, the moods, so that she's as prepared as can be. And so that is like more so a normal conversation. Like I didn't want it to be like, oh my goodness, my cycle started and I don't know what to do, or I don't know what to expect. I want it to be like, hey, Mom, yeah, you remember you told me about this? Yeah, this happened. Boom, boom, boom. Let's talk. Let's chat. That's how I want the experience to go. So I've been giving her my experiences. I told her the embarrassing things that potentially could have been embarrassing to me that happened when I was on my period. I told her, about the changing, about the staying clean, about the, just how to treat your body through this new experience. Oh my goodness. So help a sister out. How are you preparing your babies? What are you doing? All these changes, okay? And we made sure to remind her, although you're going through your little mood swings, Bookie, make sure you go pray and talk to Jesus before you let them release that into the air, okay? Because God can help us through all things, and that mood needs to stay in check when you're talking to your parents. Girl, let's talk about it in the comments, okay? How did Braid looking? She looking okay. We can get a little better with the angles and the braid, but we'll work on that a little later. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.